Hello everybody from Japan land, this is Grin from Grinning Studios. It's January 2nd, 2012, and there is a blizzard in northern Niigata. It's a blizzard. All the snow is coming down really quick. This morning I came by this road, and there was no snow on the road. That was an hour ago, 1 hour ago. And now, boom! It came really quickly, so I had no real warning or anything like that. I should have been looking at the weather, but it seemed clear and wonderful when I left, and now this. Kind of amazing, since I'm from Arizona, I don't have a chance to see this kind of snow, or haven't had a chance to see this kind of snow before. I mean, I'm pretty weirded out by the fact that white stuff is falling from the sky. We in the desert don't really deal with this kind of snow. It's pretty amazing, and I really hope that everybody's out there being safe and driving slowly. Yes.